Nagano, Japan, February 6, 2025. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, there is a strong winter-type atmospheric pressure pattern around Japan. The strong cold air mass over eastern Japan has subsided, but between the 7th and 9th, a strong cold air mass with temperatures below -36°C is expected to flow again at an altitude of about 5,000 meters over eastern Japan. As a result, heavy snow is expected to fall again in mountainous areas from the evening of the 7th to around the 9th. The snowfall expected for the 24 hours from 6 p.m. on the 6th to 6 p.m. on the 7th is 15 centimeters in northern Kanto and 20 centimeters in Koshin. Then, the snowfall expected for the 24 hours from 6 p.m. on the 7th to 6 p.m. on the 8th is 50 centimeters in northern Kanto and 50 centimeters in Koshin. Then, the snowfall forecast for the 24 hours from 6 p.m. on the 8th to 6 p.m. on the 9th is 40 centimeters in northern Kanto and 30 centimeters in Koshin. If the cold air above becomes stronger than expected or if more snow clouds form than expected, it could become a heavy snow warning level. In Sake Village, City Hall observations showed that 255 centimeters of snow had accumulated. The amount of snowfall has increased sharply since the 4th, reaching more than 1 meter compared to 2012, when there was little snow. Residents have been busy clearing snow from their roofs and shoveling it since morning. According to the Meteorological Observatory, snowfall in the northern mountains and the Nakano-Iyama area has temporarily eased. In many parts of the prefecture, 20 to 30 centimeters of snow fell in one day. As of 10 a.m., the accumulated snowfall was 182 cm in Nozawa Onsen, 143 centimeters in Atari, and 101 cm in Iyama. Snowfall is expected to continue and snow accumulations are expected to increase. If the cold air aloft becomes stronger than expected or if snow clouds develop more than expected, there is a possibility of heavy snowfall requiring a warning.